Alright, welcome back everybody. This one won't have any special effects, just a funny story that happened out on this ride. And yeah, hope you have a good laugh. I sure did laugh a lot doing this ride, and it was pretty beautiful. And also this video is...
No, I can't park. I don't have a kickstand.
Break. I'll hold it for you, man.
5 guys holding you, man. I know.
No, you give me anxiety.
It's a group.
Like, man.
Fuck, hey, man.
I feel like you're gonna butt fuck
We're all
me.
fucking taking turns.
What you doing?
You say you're getting excited about gas?
Oh, this is
Not worry.
gas. Okay. I brought gas for you once. That's good, Sean.
Not worried. Don't you worry.
You got enough? Oh.
Absolutely nothing is what you see.
Oh yeah.
Exactly what you do in this kind of terrain. We got the saw, we got the gas, we got the funnel, we got.
You got 2 things of gas in there?
2 of these motherfuckers.
Oh, shut up. Oh
You
no.
gotta dump it in now, man.
I feel it.
Let's funnel you. We're funnel. We're funnel. We're funnel. Put it in there.
I don't think it's gonna take the whole gallon, but
Do what you can. Get out of your backpack.
yeah, man, I'm dying here. You know what I mean? I feel like a woman with big titties.
So you basically put more gas as a backup than water.
That guy looked pissed with the flat tire. I was about to tell him if he didn't have that extra gas, he probably wouldn't have gotten a flat.
He carried extra gas too?
And you're spilling it on the bottom. I don't want you to get
You
your
don't want to
seat
get it
or
on
your...
you don't want to get it on your dick. That'll burn. It'll burn right through your pubes, man. Unless you shave, I don't know about it.
Stop, Dennis. You're so funny, man.
I was gonna record it and use it, but I can't use it anymore with you guys talking.
Damn it!
I have to cut it all off.
I have to edit.
I have to add.
You do good at editing, by the way.
It's gonna take me an hour to add all of it. Like it's gonna be
I
beep,
like all
beep,
the
beep.
Schwarzenegger shit. I'll be back. I like all that shit. You're very crazy. You German people are very crafty people.
Did you already use up a gallon?
Not
Yeah.
quite.
Is that
Yes.
premix?
The
Damn.
answer is yes.
Yeah.
No premix?
Yeah.
Okay, premix.
Oh yeah. Let it don't fuck around. Let it mix that shit at home.
Okay,
Bubble gum in there? Bubble
Yeah,
gum
I
too?
agree.
It's smelly.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so that's about it. I thought this was a very, very funny conversation we had out on the trail. Nando had 2 gallons of gasoline in his backpack and maybe half a gallon of water, and it was hot, but I believe he did 97 miles. Well, anyways, I hope you liked this video. The rest of it is just footage of the trail. It's a nice trail. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys at the next ride.